guys doing? I'm doing great. Welcome to the pre-party, mid-party party. Now, you may be asking yourself, why another pre-party, mid-party party? When it's really not a pre-party, mid-party party to have a party with a party, which is going on right now. Now, this time around, better than introduction, much more dramatic, much better, yada yada yada. I prepared, I swear, I did. I listed things to do. Introduction, well, as I told you, this is the pre-party, mid-party party, for not showing at the beginning, but mid-party. Spice things up a bit, you know, after you... I'm not an avid jump. Ha, there, can you still see me alright? Yeah, okay, we're good, well, this music's a little depressing, let's spice it up. No, hey, who doesn't love it? Let's get on with it, whatever do I need to hint towards? I don't know. This. For those of you who don't know, and as long as she hasn't found it yet, this is a letter knife. I mean, letter opener. Knife. That's it. I didn't burn myself. I didn't shout. Yeah, I'm kind of a bit bloody. We're off schedule a little bit, as you can probably tell. Oh, the insult. I have to apologize again for you, Alan, and Fiona, and anyone else that might have heard. You know, I didn't mean to bring it on and whatnot, but I did. Let's just leave it as that. Guess where Andy is right now. You remember Andy, right? Those of you who were at the party last week, yeah. See, Andy had a bit of a trauma, to fill you in for the rest of you, and this trauma fits scarring, if you ask me. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, as I already asked you, where is Andy? You wanna know where Andy is? He's in therapy in Dakota. You know how much it's... Bill, for how much money, I don't know. He's going through a lot, you know. And you saw Flippy? He's wearing shorter and shorter shorts every day. They were traumatized. Sort of a little statue, man. And the egg, and the sword, and the arrow. Told myself I'd keep it together. So I will. Oh, you're probably asking, well, hey, the intro video had no decorations. You've already seen the decorations because this is the pre-party, mid-party party for the party. But that was already the first party. I didn't have to say the second party. But the more pre-party, mid-party party you add to the parties, then you got a lot more parties. Woo! Tongue-tied. Decoration, yes, geeky, whatever you want to call them. But you know what? They're decorations. You got classic Nintendos. None of that new stuff, none of that PlayStation, none of that, well, maybe, I don't know. And yes, the plate is up there. But anyway, that's all I had planned for this party, and stuff, so, hope the party's going well. I really do. I mean, I really didn't plan after the ending. I actually did the whole once or twice, get it down. I ruined it, haven't I? I have. I don't know. You've all know. Oh, we get you guys more chocolates. I heard that. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Anyway, this I guess concludes the video. I made this little pre-party, mid-party party at 10:14 p.m. Oh, make that 10:15. Thursday, 2/17. 2005, yeah. So anyway, I leave you with these last words.